Hey you, how have you been lately? I hope everything is awesome just like you. This is Pooja Sinojia, and if you have mastered the techniques that I am going to tell you today, then you can't be defeated in this game of life. You know how to protect yourself. I believe everyone should learn self defense techniques because it makes you fearless and it makes you brave. I have felt it myself. And nowadays, you don't have to go to some fancy institute to learn that. It's all over the internet, and you can easily learn that from the comfort of your home. You know how to guard your mental peace. Learn to say no to people and places which disturb your mental health. Because when you are not mentally peaceful, then you will not be able to be present in the moment where you are. You will always be thinking about something else. Maybe something better than that. Just let go of everything and anything that is not peaceful or healthy for your well-being. You know how to deal with unwanted situations. So many times we caught ourselves in situations where we feel we don't belong. And you can't leave that situation too. So when you figure out how to deal with these kind of situations, then you become one of the greatest persons on this planet. You just have to believe that you can handle it and you can survive anything. When you know your self-worth, you don't wait for someone else's validation. You know who you are, you know how far you can go, and you know what to do. Just tell yourself that you can do anything. Never compare yourself and never think that you are less than someone else. You just need the willpower to feel that. Just believe in yourself and act on it. When you don't rely on others for your expenses, somewhat you become controller of your life. Because it's a fact that financial freedom brings so many other freedoms too. You will be able to make so many decisions on your own. Also, when you learn how to control your emotions, you have won the game. Because you don't get manipulated by people easily. And you make decisions rationally, not solely based on emotions. You know what to do, and you do what is right and not what you want. When you have mastered all the above categories, then you can't be defeated easily. And you have learned the art of living in this world. If you are already there, then be proud of yourself for being this version. It's not easy, and you did it because you believed in yourself. I hope that this video has inspired you to become your best version. I will see you soon. Till then, bye-bye. Take care. Have a great day ahead.